Hello and welcome back to Nana's Cooking Craft Corner. And on this video we're going to do something a little different. I was issued a challenge by Dwayne FX2 for Lemons for Leukemia, which is a great cause. And here I go. I'm ready to bite into that lemon. Ooh. No. I'm trying not to show you the effects, but you know, it's a little. That's what my face does when it's hard. Sure, peppery. All right. All right. Well, I can't say that was delicious. It's something like really. Lemons are good for you, so it's a good cause, and they're healthy for you. And normally I have it with sugar, so it was a little potent for me. But all in all, I would do it again. And I send all of you, my subscribers, why don't you give it a try? It's a good cause. Lemons for Leukemia. For now, thanks. See you soon. Take care. Bye for now.